Okay, so here is our collection of toys. And as you can see, we have quite a few of them in this basket. This is my original organizing setup that I have for the kids' toys. But the problem is liquid pools down at the bottom down there, and toys don't get completely dry when they're done playing. So hopefully these new organizers are going to not only streamline the bathtub, but allow us to keep the toys in the tub so that we don't have to carry it to our linen closet and drip water all over the floor. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these containers installed. And there you have it, our bathtub toy organizer. Now, I know these are still pretty high, but the good thing is these come off really easy. So when the kids want to play, we could just take the container down that has the toys they want inside. You can also, with these hooks, purchase additional containers and take it all the way down or even up higher. The good news is they give you a set of these adhesive hooks with every container that comes in the 3-pack set, so that if the top hooks, the adhesive wears out from the steam in the water, you have 2 replacements to go with it. Now, these are not suctions, they are adhesive tape. So I'm curious to see how long they hold up. And I don't have anything super heavy in here. I mean, I could put in shampoos and baby wash for the kids, and that would probably be heavy, but our main concern was just getting the toys up in a container that had drainage, so we didn't have to worry about things getting dirty or getting mildewy or just staying wet for long periods of time. So yeah, I'm super excited about this setup. I hope you guys like it too. The link to these baskets will be in the comments below. And if you have any questions, just leave me a question down in the comments and I will do my best to answer them. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Take care and happy decluttering. Bye everybody.